Welcome back to Ridezonebikes. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Honda Rebel 300, a motorcycle that continues to prove why it remains one of the most popular lightweight cruisers on the market. Designed for new riders but refined enough for experienced enthusiasts looking for an easy daily ride, the Rebel 300 blends modern styling, dependable engineering, and impressive fuel efficiency into a package that's approachable, affordable, and genuinely fun. For 2026, Honda keeps the Rebel's signature low-slung silhouette while introducing subtle refinements that improve rider comfort, throttle response, and overall ride quality. The bike still carries its minimalist cruiser personality, but now feels even more polished for everyday commuting and weekend adventures. At the heart of the Rebel 300 is a 286 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. This reliable power plant produces around 27 horsepower and approximately 26 nanometers of torque, delivering smooth and predictable acceleration. The engine loves to rev while remaining friendly at lower speeds, making it an ideal companion for city traffic and open country roads alike. Power is delivered through a slick 6-speed transmission with a light clutch action, making gear changes effortless even for beginners. One of the biggest strengths of the Rebel 300 is how confidence-inspiring it feels from the moment you throw a leg over the seat. Thanks to its extremely low seat height of just under 700 mm, riders of different heights can comfortably place both feet on the ground. Combined with its lightweight construction of around 170 kilograms ready to ride, slow-speed maneuvers become incredibly easy. Throttle response is smooth without being intimidating. Twist the throttle and the bike accelerates steadily, offering enough power to keep up with city traffic while still having enough performance for highway cruising at legal speeds. Although it's not built for high-speed touring, it comfortably maintains highway pace with minimal vibration. Fuel economy remains one of the Rebel's strongest selling points. Riders can expect around 30 to 35 km per liter depending on riding conditions. Combined with its fuel tank capacity, the bike offers excellent range between fill UPS, making it economical for commuters and weekend explorers alike. The design of the 2026 Rebel 300 stays true to its modern bobber-inspired appearance. The round LED headlight gives the motorcycle a timeless look while providing excellent nighttime visibility. LED indicators and LED tail lighting complete the premium lighting package while improving visibility for surrounding traffic. The blacked-out engine, frame, exhaust system, and wheels create a bold and aggressive appearance that stands out without becoming flashy. Honda has carefully balanced classic cruiser styling with modern details, giving the Rebel a unique personality that appeals to younger riders as well as experienced motorcyclists. The fuel tank features muscular yet simple lines that flow naturally into the comfortable seat. The wide handlebars provide a relaxed riding position while forward-mounted foot controls allow riders to stretch out comfortably during longer journeys. The digital LCD instrument display is compact but easy to read. It provides essential information including speed, fuel level, gear position, trip meter, odometer, and clock. Even under bright sunlight, the display remains clear and readable. The steel tubular frame contributes to the Rebel's excellent handling characteristics. It feels stable through corners while remaining agile enough for urban riding. Honda's suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers tuned for comfort and predictable handling. Small bumps and uneven roads are absorbed effectively, creating a comfortable ride without sacrificing control. Braking performance inspires confidence thanks to hydraulic disc brakes at both ends. Standard ABS enhances safety by helping prevent wheel lock-up during emergency braking or wet road conditions. The braking system offers progressive stopping power that's easy to control, especially for riders still developing their braking skills. Despite being an entry-level motorcycle, the Rebel never feels cheap. Paint quality, switchgear, welds, and overall fit and finish reflect Honda's reputation for long-term reliability. Maintenance requirements remain straightforward, and the proven engine has earned an excellent reputation for durability across thousands of kilometers. Customization is another major advantage of the Rebel platform. Owners can easily personalize their motorcycles with different seats, saddlebags, windscreens, exhaust systems, luggage racks, engine guards, and cosmetic accessories. Whether someone wants a classic cruiser, a touring setup, or a custom bobber look, the Rebel provides an excellent starting point. The riding ergonomics strike an impressive balance between comfort and control. New riders appreciate the confidence provided by the upright posture, while experienced riders enjoy the relaxed nature of the seating position during daily rides. The 2026 Honda Rebel 300 is expected to start at approximately $5,099, although pricing may vary depending on local taxes, destination charges, and optional accessories. Who should consider buying this motorcycle? First-time riders looking for an unintimidating yet stylish motorcycle will find it nearly perfect. Daily commuters will appreciate its outstanding fuel economy, lightweight handling, and Honda reliability. Experienced riders seeking a simple, low-maintenance motorcycle for relaxed weekend rides will also find plenty to like. Of course, no motorcycle is perfect. Riders planning frequent two-up touring or long-distance highway travel may eventually want more power from the Rebel 500 or larger cruiser models. However, for urban transportation, casual rides, and learning the fundamentals of motorcycling, the Rebel 300 delivers an outstanding balance of performance, comfort, affordability, and style. Honda has once again refined a proven formula without losing the qualities that made the Rebel such a success. It remains approachable without feeling boring, stylish without becoming impractical, and economical without sacrificing riding enjoyment. If you're searching for a motorcycle that combines modern technology, dependable engineering, excellent fuel efficiency, low ownership costs, and timeless cruiser styling, the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 deserves a place at the very top of your shortlist. It offers the confidence beginners need, the quality experienced riders expect, and the everyday usability that makes every ride enjoyable. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring scenic backroads, or simply enjoying the freedom of two wheels, the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 continues to be one of the smartest lightweight cruiser motorcycles available.